4 marks non-calculator question. This is Cambridge 0580 paper 2. It's non-calculator. How can we do this without a calculator? Let's first look at the question. The question asks us to find x here. X from the perspective of this angle is adjacent, so let's write A. 6 from the perspective of the angle is opposite to that angle, so let's just write O. Now definitely we will need to use SOH. So it's SO, K, and TOA. So which one of these has O and A? It's obviously this, right? So let's write it here. I like to write it in a triangle way. It makes it easier. So let's write it like that. And let's do the triangle. So what are we looking for is A. A is O divided by T, which is tan 30. So let's write it down. So to find x is equals to O, which is 6, divided by tan, the angle, which is 30. Now how can you figure out this without a calculator? Sadly, it's non-calculator. The good news is there is a nice table in the description below. Just memorize that. It's not big, it's little. Memorize it and it helps you solve these. And the bad news is they don't give you this in the formula sheet. So 6 divided by tan 30 is 1 over root 3. Now since it's non-calculator, how will you work out this? The easier way, in such case, just bring this up here. So your final answer is 6 root 3. If you don't want to memorize it, if you want to know why, so this is it. 6 divided by 1 over root 3, right? So do you remember the KCF? Keep, change, flip. So it's going to be like that, right? And then 6 times root 3. 6 root 3 divided by 1, which is nothing. So we just leave it like that. And this is 4 marks question. How was it? Was it easy?